What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how you can get your Kia Telluride started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Telluride started. So I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2021 Kia Telluride in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying key not detected. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our key fob and using the top of it, we're going to use that to press the stop start button. So press the brake as you normally would, and then come over here and use the top of your fob to press it just like that. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.